Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a good push down today. We definitely did break structure to the downside. Pretty good sign that most likely it will go down further. I now have my Fibonacci retracement on this push down right here. I would expect to see at least some sort of a corrective move to the upside. I think that like the 61 to the 50% Fibonacci retracement would be a likely area for this to end, most likely an A, B, and C pattern. So I mean, depending on what you are, if you are a scalper, you could definitely be looking for longs, scalping to the long side. But I do think at some point it is going to make an ABC correction. We're probably going to get a Fibonacci bounce, nice bearish engulfing move to the downside. And when I see that, that is definitely going to be the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.